Aloha, Toas.
Aloha.
Aloha. Okay, we are hanging out in beautiful, warm.
Can't tell ya. We're in our favorite location we've ever been as a family, right?
Yeah.
It's awesome.
But you don't get to figure that out until
Nope.
Friday. But until then, what can they watch today, Mom?
Today we are showing you one of our favorite videos ever.
Yes.
Yeah.
It was our favorite video until the video that led us to here.
So stick to the very end because I want you guys to comment down below who slid their best or who was your favorite slider. Was it this one?
Always.
Was it that one?
Here we go.
Ready?
Have a party.
I'm very scared. Can I go?
Trying to watch.
Oh, I can't get. Dang it.
Let's get on to the video.
Did you get it on my wall? Today is this hot
8 million minutes of us being together.
8 million minutes, guys. That's really long. Like, that's really long.
Feels like forever. We're boring today, but that's because we're going to Europe soon.
Kiss me. I love kisses. Okay, today we're getting a little crazy and we're making a whole lot of stuff with lime jello. We got lots of jello, lots of water, well, more water than that, lots of baby shampoo, a cute little girl. We got food coloring, a humongous bag, multiple bags of big flour, and these buckets. Stay tuned for crazy. We're making slime. Okay, we have a running start blue tarp, a slide, and a very handsome man down there.
Dad, I have an idea.
Okay, here it goes.
Look at this!
Are you guys ready to do this?
Yes! Yes!
I'm very scared. Can I go?
Oh my God.
It's all down my butt.
You look pretty dang nasty. It tingle?
Can you do the top of your back?
Are you ready for this?
Kneel and then
Go! It's slipping!
Lay down, it'll be easier.
Slipping! I can't. I'm slipping.
how are we gonna get her out?
Hold on, Clay, don't let go.
I'm gonna go deep first.
Okay.
Go, 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 go! It's raining slime!
Here he goes.
Cora, hold it to
Cora,
your face.
you excited?
Go. Go.
Gross. That's the way I'm going. Mom, that's the way I'm going.
Cora.
What?
What's up, bud?
He was so slip. Wow!
Hold on, hold on. Oh, so slimy.
Ready? 5, 4, 6.
It needs some. It needs some.
Ready? Set, go. Go. I'm going down to the bro, it's dead.
Wow, Dad.
How are you gonna do this, Shay? Look at me.
I'm gonna go back first. I'm gonna go head first on my back, backwards.
Whoa. This is intense. Okay, let's start this.
Ready?
Wait, face the GoPro on your face. Oh, put your feet out here.
This kid gains like 50 pounds.
Okay, this is the lineup.
My watch!
Oh, we better go clean it.
This is the lineup.
My watch! I'm going
Waiting to go.
I'll go again. So, I just came home from swimming and look what I got. First place, first place, first place. Woo! I'm happy. And I got a treat for my relay, but it's somewhere in my back. Because we won first place there.
Don't get your hair wet and stuck.
Does my hair have slime?
Nope, your hair is good. Just your neck. Your neck is. Look at your hat. Your head thing is stuck against the wall.
My hands are so heavy.
Did you get it on my wall?
Only right here. Only on my deck. I never got it.
There is green slime all over my walls now.
Hi.
And Shay seems to be allergic to the green slime. Or sensitive. His body is rashing up. And let's see your rash. I don't know if you can see. He's totally like pink right here. He is super sensitive to this stuff.
And it gets stuck in your hair. That's why Raquel went with
Okay, let's go. Mom, rope. Let's do this.
What are you gonna do?
city and do this.
Okay.
Okay, Cora.
Just go down. Let go.
Okay, don't put your hands in yet. Because maybe, no, toast.
I need to go pee.
Oh my gosh. What did you just say?
I need to go pee.
Don't pee in there. Do you understand?
I'm not.
Okay. All right, well, we are going to see if I can take this nasty out of here as easy as I had hoped I was going to. Oh my, holy cow, it's hot underneath this.
It is?
Yeah. Oh, nasty.
You can smell it?
Come down and help, Mom.
Okay.
Slide in your buns. Okay, what?
It's freezing.
Oh yeah, everyone used all the hot water. Okay, Mom. No, Mom, I need you right. Oh, okay.
Right here?
Come on.
I'm trying.
It's gonna all come out on you.
Right there. Oh my gosh.
Isn't it heavy?
The bucket tree moved. Come on. I'm trying to find food. Ah!
Bucket.
It's coming out. It's coming out.
Hey, Clay. This is
Mommy,
going
can I
out.
drop it?
Yes.
Is something to do?
Yes, one. Yes, one. Under.
Here, Mom. Need it?
I mean, of all the things we decide to do.
Okay, put that in the big bucket.
Oh, it's on the pillow. It's on the carpet at all?
Yep.
It's of all the. So you're saying you're gonna buy me new pillows? I'm just kidding.
Pillows are my favorite.
Oh, I can't get. Dang it.
I can't get back up. No, no, there is slime. Quiet.
I'm going to make it.
Do not come this way. Please. I can't help you.
You know, yay, he made it! I'm going down it.
No, don't. Don't, please.
Can I go see the game?
Of all the stupid, terrible ideas I've ever had. Woo!
Here.
Well, that's fun.
Whose idea was this?
Mom's?
Dad.
Okay. Do you see all the nasty slime? Cora, look the other way. All this nasty slime all over Cora's head. We can't get it out. Nasty. It's like everything is slimy.
That's disgusting.
Look at all the nasty slime in Cora's hair. This is after a long tub and a scrub. Cora, what do you think?
Yuck.
Is it yucky?
Yeah.
Is there green in your nose that you're picking too? Wyatt is still trying to... Yeah, he's nasty too. This is nasty. This was possibly the worst idea I've ever had. And there's the faithful lady on her anniversary scrubbing slime off the staircase.
Washcloth.
Happy anniversary. Yeah, go get a washcloth.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that was a horrible idea.
That was a terrible idea.
I still have slime all over my arms.
my-
Look at my foot. How gross is that? All up my leg,
Pants.
all in the pants, splattered on my shirt. That was crazy. That was so crazy.
So, happy Slimeversary.
Yay.
8 million minutes together. What up? Well, we hope you like the weird stuff we do with our kids again. What do you have to say, honey? I'm tired. I'm falling asleep.
I really am. And I have lots of editing to do. But this was funny once we got started.
Now that we're watching it, it's awesome.
It's funny. But that was a lot of dang work. It was a lot of dang work. I do not recommend anyone doing this. Don't do it, please. It is messy and horrible. The kids still have it in their hair even after they showered.
They were complaining about it being in their hair.
Mine's in my hair too. Because I tried to help clean up and fell into the slime
Paid
bucket.
the price.
Yeah, that was horrible. Thank you guys so much for watching.
As always.
We have had lots of blasts. Lots of blasts.
We have had lots of blast from the past.
We've had lots of fun. It was a blast. It was painful, and at least my walls are a lot cleaner because we scrubbed them for a long time.
Yeah. So clean.
No slime over here.
Okay.
There was slime.
Well, I'm gonna clean up all the towels and the tarps and the pillows and all the nasty.
I'm gonna make you a fun video.
Okay.
We love you guys. Bye.
Good night.
Иди. И если ты все еще дышишь, значит включи заново, чтобы звучало более пышно, пока адреналин не выжмет из тебя вышку, пока децибелы не станут прожигать лампочки вспышками. Если лимиты превышены, то один эффект, иди эффектом эффект, лови эффект, кипи так. Наш диалект способен поломать твои извилины без стиля, без усилий. Мы лишь вирус на любом носителе, и мы всего лишь 25-й кадр твоего слуха гипнотизируем, ведь разум подчиняется звукам. И эта мания подобна настоящей магии, что разрывает от начала до конца твое сознание.
One.